Hi guys, this is the Innovative Minds Tutor. So in this video, we are going to work with factorization of difference of two squares. Right, guys, when it comes to the difference of two squares, the difference of two squares is separated by a minus sign. Consider this: x squared minus y squared. Consider you have to factorize something like this. So the factors of x squared will be x and x. So it's a second degree expression. So we have two brackets. So factors of y, it's y and y. So what about the sign? So when you're factorizing a difference of two squares, the sign are not the same. One will attain a positive sign, the other will have a negative sign. It will have a positive sign, the other one will have a negative sign. Right, let's consider the first question then. The first question, we are given x squared minus 4. So we are going, remember, this is a difference of two squares. The only thing that can help you to see that this is a difference of two squares is that the difference of two squares is separated by a minus sign. It's separated by a minus sign. So what are the factors of x squared? Factors of x squared, it's x and x. The factors of 4, that's going to be 2 and 2. Remember I told you that the sign should be different. Plus, and here will be a minus. Yes, because the factors of 4, that's 2 and 2. And you can prove again, x times x is x squared. 2 times 2, it's negative 4. Right, let's go to the second equation. The second equation, we are given as 27x squared minus 12. Is that a difference of two squares? Yes, but what do we do? In this case, we are going to always look for a highest common factor. So you're going to look for a highest common factor. What is the highest common factor here? Definitely that should be 3. So when we factor out here, we are going to say 3. Remember the factors that will give you 27, we need 9. So it's going to be 9x squared. To get to 12, we need minus 4. Then we can factorize further. We can see that this expression that is inside the bracket, it's a difference of two squares, right? Separated by a minus sign. Then the factors of 9x squared, that will be 3x as well as 3x. You also need to know how to find the factors. Factors of 4, that's 2 and 2. What about the signs? Should be different, plus and minus here. So that's how you can work out your number 2. Right, let's go to our last question. Remember that the reason here that we look for a highest common factor is that the factors of 27 doesn't give us the same factors here as compared to what we did at number 1. So in this case, always look for a highest common factor. Let's go to number 3 then. When it comes to number 3, yes, we do have the factors of 81. That will be 9. So in this case, we're going to have 9x squared as well as 9x squared. So don't mind this. This is a difference of two squares. It's a difference of two squares. I know some will be mystified. Oh, but what about that 4? So just watch and learn and see how you're going to tackle such, right? So this is a difference of two squares. The factors of 16, that will be 4 and 4. And the factors of 81, that is 9x squared, 81x to the power 4, that will be 9x squared. So, right, we'll see what is the difference of two squares here. So the signs will be different. This is plus or minus. When there's addition, this is not a difference of two squares. And what we could do, this will remain the same. What we are having here, this is a difference of two squares. 9x squared minus 4. So this will remain the same. 9x squared plus 4. We cannot simplify further, or we cannot factorize further. We cannot factorize further from here. So but we can factorize 9x squared minus 4. The factors of 9x squared, that is 3x as well as 3x. Factors of 4, that will be 2. Then this will have a positive sign, or it can be, you can start with minus, depends, but it's the same thing actually. So this will be 3x plus 2. So guys, that's how we can work out with factorization of two squares. So grade 9 and 10, hope you're learning. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget that we are learning, and the learning is infinity. Share the video and don't forget to subscribe. We love you.